Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Amazon unboxing to do and my allergies are like really bothering me today, so I figured I would just sit behind the camera because I don't feel like getting all fancied up to sit in front of the camera and video. So I figured, well, I had this Amazon box, I may as well just get this video up. And I placed this order because it was my fiance's birthday and I was ordering something for him. And of course, I always ordered stuff for myself because with Amazon, when you spend $35, you get free shipping. So the item I was buying for him was like 30 bucks. So I just threw in a few more things that more rather needing than wanting. So it's not an exciting unboxing of any sort, but I will show you what I got. I've started opening up my boxes now because sometimes they come so smashed in, sometimes it's ripped up and stuff like that. So what I do is I open and just do a spot check just to make sure that nothing is broken, nothing is leaking, stuff like that. So I took my fiance's present out of here and I taped the box back up. So, it looks like this. But anyways, I will be placing another order from Amazon in a couple days or so. And I could have waited until then to do both unboxings at the same time, but I figured, well, why not do this one first because I've had it a little while and I may as well just open it up. So stay tuned, guys. So this is what it is. I've noticed that Amazon does not give me a packing slip anymore, and I've noticed that a while now because I order from Amazon a lot, especially when I have to buy like presents for my fiance, and I also like to buy a lot of other things that we need for the house. And I've noticed they don't send that slip anymore, so if I gotta link the information, I have to now go back into my account to get the descriptions and stuff like that. So maybe in this video I will not get the order, or not the order number, but the item numbers. I will just give a description of what it is. And yeah, so if anybody's interested, they can just go and search for that and it will come up hopefully. So I was looking for a good deodorant because what I find is happening is that I will buy a new brand, it'll work really good for a few months, and then after that it doesn't work as good. So I have to keep changing brands. And I started Googling around because I do a lot of research that way. And I came up with this brand called Ban. I like the fact that they put them in plastic, so if it leaks out, at least it's not leaking all over your stuff, you know what I mean? I hope you can see this. So I got two of these because they wanted you to order them in groups of two. I don't know why, and it was actually pretty affordable for the set. So I wanted the like this one is the powder fresh. I don't like to wear scented deodorants because I don't like to have that smell. I just like no scent at all. There was the unscented ones, but they wouldn't ship it to my PO box, and I couldn't figure out why. But then this one, they were willing to ship it, so I don't know why that is. But anyways, I ended up getting these two. I hope they're not really high scented because I don't like that. And it's a good amount of product. It's 100 mls. Hope you can see that. And yeah, I'm hoping to try this because it's got a lot of good reviews, and I figured, well, I'm gonna give this a try. I haven't seen them in the stores here, so if it's something that I do like and I have to reorder, I might have to go through Amazon for it all the time. I think I'm gonna see if Walmart carries it, but I'm not too sure. But anyways, this is how I usually buy stuff, is based off of reviews. I mean, if it's 3 out of 5 stars, that's fine as well, you know. So yeah, I got those ones. I don't remember what the cost was, but I remember thinking that, oh, they're actually affordable. So this next thing is the Listerine Go tabs, and there's 24 tablets in there, and it says whole mouth clean feeling on the go. And I've been seeing a lot of commercials with this one, so I decided to give it a try. It's pretty good for like when you're out and about, like you go for lunch or something and you can't go and brush your teeth or whatever. You can just freshen up, you know, maybe you're meeting somebody after lunch and you can't get to brush your teeth. Like for us, our dentist is in Edmonton, so it's a long drive to get there from our house. So sometimes we might eat breakfast on the way or lunch on the way. You know, you might go brush your teeth and stuff, but still you want that extra freshness because, you know, you're going to the dentist, you know, you don't want to have your breath smelling like what you had for lunch, right? So I'm gonna try these out. Hopefully they work. They didn't have a lot of good reviews, but I'm gonna try it and see if I like it. There's another smaller packet than this one as well, so if you don't want to try the 24, you can go smaller. Yeah, so that's that. And then the next thing I got was these ice grips for my winter boots, and they look similar to the ones that I was using before. So I'm hoping that these fit. I got this in a size small medium. So they just fit on the bottom of your boots, and they work good for like when it's icy out there. Sometimes it's iced over and it snows on top of that and you can't see it. So that's the time of year when I wear it. I usually start wearing them like in January, sometimes even before that, because if you have freezing rain, you know, it makes everything all smooth out there and, you know, it's not safe. So this is what I got. Good traction. And they're showing you how to wear it. Okay, so the last item I've got in here is a face wash that I was using. And I really like this one. I can't find it in the store anymore. I know the Face Shop in West Edmonton Mall was carrying it. That is where I think I might have gotten it as a gift, or I bought it or something. I've had it a long time. And I wanted to try it again. So it's the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. And I think for the rice water, there's different types. And I was surprised when I saw that Amazon had it, and they also have a set that comes with a cleansing oil as well, which I didn't really need because I'm more after the cleanser, which I've had before. Because I use it, I know that I like it. So what happened is when we went to Toronto in September last year, I took it with me. There wasn't much product left, and I ended up leaving it behind at my fiance's brother's place. So I was really mad about that because I really like the face wash. And the thing is that, you know, you start using a product and you like it, you know, and you don't want to have to go buy it when it's not finished, you know what I mean? So then I couldn't find it. I looked in the stores in Toronto. They didn't have it anymore because it's an old product, I guess. And I was disappointed. So, but good thing, because in Toronto the taxes are like double, so maybe it is a good thing I didn't get it to buy there. But I was able to get it from Amazon, and I'm happy. And I like the way it's sealed. Like the plastic is everywhere, all around it, so there is nothing gonna leak there, and really good. I like this. See, it says there the Face Shop. It's a really nice, it foams up really nice, and it's very lightweight and creamy. I really like that. I'm trying to think where I would have gotten it from. I think it came in a set one Christmas in a like a sequin bracelet or something. There was like 3 items in there as a set. But whatever, I was able to get it now, and I'm super excited, and I'm happy that I was able to do so. So guys, that was my Amazon haul, or Amazon unboxing, and nothing too exciting there, but you know, lots of times when I shop there, like I mentioned, is for stuff that I need more than want. So yeah, that's all it is, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my quick video. And there's another Amazon order going to be coming, but I haven't placed it yet, and it's going to be a few things in there, so you'll have to stay tuned for that one. But hopefully I'll be able to upload it, in good time, because pretty soon my fiance is going to be on vacation, so I won't be able to film or upload any videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye.